with you, Eyeball.
My sister.
The dogs roam around and then.
Yeah.
Yay!
So, yeah.
And we love the
We're trying
goats.
to acclimate them. We've only had the dogs about a month.
Special touch.
Serious.
Victory.
Yes.
Don't tread on GMO.